I've got a really cool client who came to me and asked me to build his house for him, and it was a really cool project, and he's a very easygoing guy, so I told him I would. We're about halfway through. This is a single family residence in Mount Washington, which is in Los Angeles for those of you who aren't. So, street, garage. We're gonna put up a wall here so that once it's finished, you'll come through this door, walk down the stairs to the house, which is a separate structure than the garage. It's the front door, you'll walk in. Again, those are the stairs. This will be an outdoor fire pizza oven. That's the kitchen. Walk in the front door. The client wants a very old world Italian look. So we're gonna have stucco inside and out. A lot of arches in the house, as you'll see here. Go into the kitchen, we have wooden beams. We've attached to the ceiling in here and through most of the rooms throughout. Again, you'll see the arches. Again, those of you who are familiar with stucco probably have never seen a stucco interior. This is gonna be an office because most people don't do stucco inside of their houses. It's really expensive and really hard to make any changes once you've done it. This is going to be a living room, fireplace, outdoor balcony, bathroom here. We're back to the front door. Now we'll go upstairs. This is a 3-bedroom house. It's about 2,500 square feet. So decent size, not huge, but nice size. Bedroom 1, that's gonna be the closet for the bedroom. We're gonna close that off. This hallway leads directly to the master, but not before you get to bedroom 2, bathroom, laundry room. Then this is the master. Vaulted ceilings, closet. Again, more beams that we're putting up. So we're gonna have a beam that runs along the ridge, and then we're gonna have 3 beams on each side going up to that. His closet, her closet, probably both hers, let's be honest. And this is the master bathroom. Be a glass steam shower, dual vanities, a freestanding ceramic tub, and a view of the San Fernando, no, that's Silver Lake. Anyway, more to come. I'll keep you guys posted.